Hi, my name is Miss Cortez, and this video highlights my Nearpod lesson called Weather Watchers. Nearpod is an online digital tool that allows teachers to create engaging and interactive lessons for students. Lessons can be done in the classroom or virtually, which makes it really helpful for all learning types. It includes things like quizzes, matching games, collaborative boards, drawing tools, polls, and more, so students stay active and involved the whole time. My lesson is designed for first grade and is based on the Georgia Science Standard S1E1, which is identifying weather patterns and how weather affects our daily life. It also ties into the ISTE Student Standard 1.1a, which encourages students to take an active role in their learning. The student goal for this lesson is, I can name different types of weather and tell how they can change what I do every day. It's posted right here in the lesson so students know exactly what they're working towards. The lesson is mostly student-led, but I would guide it as needed, especially to support younger learners. That flexibility really helps me meet students where they are. To hook their interest, I started with a short video that introduces weather types in a fun and simple way. Students are required to answer questions along the way to gauge their understanding. Right after that, students will move along into the collaborative board. The collaborative board is able to read the question aloud to the students, and then they are able to either type their response or they can choose various ways to answer the question. There's also a matching pair activity that they'll work on, and this one has the directions here at the top. They can go on a virtual field trip, and this one actually is in the snow, so they'll be able to look around on here, and then they will answer questions after. And this is also able to read to them, and then they can either type a quick response. Most of them will probably do the record option since they are younger learners, though. We've got another matching game here. All of these activities give students different ways to show what they know and help them stay engaged. I also included formative assessments after each major part of the lesson. That way I can see what's sticking and where I might need to go back and review something. For the multiple choice questions, they also do read aloud the question, so they would just hit this little play button and then they're able to pick the picture that best goes along with the question. Here's a few examples of the questions that I asked. And I made sure to include lots of pictures since these are younger learners. Moving right along, I wanted to include a poll question. It's just a fun way to get to know more about their particular interest and make it meaningful for them. And then at the end of the lesson, students completed a draw-it activity where they illustrated their favorite weather and described what they would wear or do. These responses helped me see what they learned and made the lesson more meaningful to them. Overall, this lesson showed me how helpful Nearpod can be in planning something that's fun, interactive, and accessible for every student.